Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by combining chopped white vinyl eraser bits and a small amount of 70% isopropyl alcohol to soften them. Mix in a bowl with a stick until the pieces break down. This allows the polymers to rebind. Once done, press the softened mass onto parchment paper and flatten it with your palm to expel air. Make sure to wear gloves to keep oils off the material and keep work area ventilated. This first step builds a single workable mass. You now refine texture by kneading the softened mass on parchment for 3 to 5 minutes. This removes bubbles and aligns the material for consistent erasing. If the mass is crumbly, add a single drop of alcohol and re-knead. If too sticky, press to squeeze excess and let it air a few minutes. Once smooth, roll it into a cylinder, slab, or wedge and cut to shape. Because you want consistent edges, make straight cuts and smooth seams with your fingers. Finish by letting your shaped eraser air dry for about 24 hours on a flat surface so it firms up and regains erasing strength. You should test it on scrap paper. If it smudges or leaves residue, knead it more to redistribute material or let it dry longer. If it feels too hard, soften with 1 tiny drop of alcohol and knead again. A key troubleshooting tip: if the eraser flakes or leaves bits, wash those crumbs away and re-knead the block until cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.